circle. Angles on a circle. Angles on a circle. Quickly write down the topic. Angles on a circle. ළමයි එක්කෝ අපේ කට්ටිය එන්න ඉක්මනට. Inuja, okay. Nusran, okay. Nicole, Rimzan. Right. Shahid. Gayani. Quickly. Angles on a circle. Right. Quickly. I'm taking my first theorem. What is my first theorem? Right. What is my first theorem? Right. Quickly. Angles on a theorem. Only 80 students are there. 3 is missing, Hari. 3 denek missing. Winter. Angles in a circle. Right, I'm taking my first theorem, Lamai. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Write down the first one. The angle in a semicircle. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Is 90 degrees. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. What is that one? The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Quickly note it down. The angle in a yes. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Quickly note it down. The angle in a semicircle means, so there should be the angle, right? This is the circle and this one is the semicircle. Semicircle means definitely you have to take the O means center point. අනිවාර්යෙන් O එකක් තියෙන්න ඕන. හරි. O එකක් තියෙන්න ඕන. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. If you are creating any angles on a semicircle, ළමයි semicircle එක මෙන්න මෙහෙම angle එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒ කියන්නේ circumference touch වෙන්න ඕන. හරි. මෙහෙම touch වෙන්න ඕන. So A, B, C, that angle, A, B, C angle equals to 90 degrees. That is the theorem. Quickly note it down and scar up. කොටුවක් ගහගන්න. ABC equals to 90 degrees. Any angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Any angle in a semicircle, is 90 degrees. Not only that one. So I will use different colors. I will use blue color, right? In this angle also 90 degree. Very easy theorem. This is grade 10, but we need those theorems for our term test for the geometric questions. Quickly. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. This is geometry. Angles on a circle. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Quickly, Lama, you all know that summation of the interior angle of a triangle, summation of the angle in the interior angles on a triangle is equals to
180.
180 is equals to 180, right? So shall we solve some questions? This is geometry. You need to write down the reason within brackets, right? This is geometry. You need to write down the reason within brackets, right? Quickly. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. I will do only 2 theorems. Now theorems දෙකයි කරන්නේ. මේකයි තව එකකුයි. Quickly. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Right. Patio, shall I clear this one? Lamai, please raise your hands up if you're still writing this one. Please raise your hands up if you're actually writing this one. Quickly. No. Right, I'm moving to my first question. Right, look at this one. I'm moving to my first question. What is my first question? Right to me. This is O. Lamai අනිවාර්යෙන් O තියෙන්න ඕන. මොකද otherwise we can't find that one is a radius. එම් ගන්න බෑනේ. Because semicircle means definitely it should pass O. Center point එක true යන්න ඕන. Center point එක true ගියේ නැත්තම් whether we can't decide is this a semicircle or not. එහෙම නැත්තම් අපිට හොයාගන්න බෑ, right? So I'm simply taking this is my first question. Lamai, this is geometry. This one is geometry. So x equals 90. You can see that radius is there, that center point is there. Then center point is the base, that the diameter is the base of that base of that triangle. So this one is a semicircle. Can you see my laser point? Can you see my laser point, Petiome? Then angle should be equals to 90 degrees. So x equals to 90. Priya, what is the reason? Angles in a semicircle. Lamai, definitely you need to write down the reason, right? අනිවාර්යෙන් ලියන්න ඕන reason එක. නැත්තම් sorry.com හොදේ. අනිවාර්යෙන් ලියන්න ඕන. Right, last question. Look at this one. Last question. Right. This is x and this one is 30. පට්ටලේසි. මෙන්න O. Right, x, 30 and O. Right, now you can tell me the answer. Now just tell me the answer. What is the value for x?
90.
X,
90.
x equals to 90. X equals to 90. Angles in a semicircle. X equals to 90. Angles in a semicircle. Now what you need to do? දැන් මොකද පැටියෝ කරන්නේ? X plus 30 plus මේ පෙතර පේනවද y දීලා තියෙනවා. පේන්නේ හොඳට බලන්න. මේ තියෙන y. X plus 30 plus y equals to x plus 30 plus y equals to what? X plus 30 plus y equals to what?
180.
180, 180. What is the reason? What is the reason? Angles in a
Angles.
triangle, right? Angles in a triangle. Lamai, quickly talk with me. So x equals to 90 plus 30 plus y equals to 180. 90 plus 30, what is the value? 120 plus y equals to 180. Then you can move that 120 to other side. Pattalesi, 120 you are moving to other side. What happened to plus 120? What happened to plus 120?
It becomes minus 120.
Yes, minus 120. Plus 120 is changing to minus 120. Y equal 180 minus 120. Y equals to 60. Y equals to 60. Quickly, y equals to 60. Angles in a semicircle. Right, quickly, lamai. Angles in a semicircle. Imadhi is missing, ne? Imadhi nidida goyeda. Kala. right? Y equals to 60 quickly. Quickly. Just only one question quickly. X equals, right, 30, then X angle is 90, right? How to identify that one? The angle opposite to diameter. Meata opposite tekna, that should be 90. Angle touch with the perimeter. Perimeter touch karnekna 90, right? So these three angles equals to 180, no? Very easy, ne? Right. Now, quickly raise your hands up if you have done. Quickly raise your hands up if you have done. Quickly raise your hands up if you have done. Quickly. Right. Right. Okay. Now, quickly, last question. Last question. Question number 3. Quickly try to do this one. Question number 3. Right. Question number 3. Just try to do this one. Right. Right. X and Y. This is O. Right. This is O. X plus Y. And I'm taking that angle equals to 35. Patal AC. Quickly do that one. Y equals to 90. Right? Y equals to 90. Angles in a semicircle. Angles in a semicircle. You can see that angle. Right මේ in a semicircle හරියටම semicircle එක angle එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ if you can create any angles on a semicircle, that angle equals to 90. ඒ angle එක 90, right? Right. Now what is the next equation? ළමයි මට කියන්න 90 plus x plus 35. 90 plus x plus
90 plus x
35.
plus 35 equal
180. Yes. X plus 35 equals to 180. Angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle. 90 plus x plus 35 equals to 180. 125 plus x equals to 180. You can move that 125 to other side. Quickly slow the value for x. Quickly drop down your answer in the Zoom chat, not in the WhatsApp chat. Just only the answer, just the final answer. You can final answer එක විතරක් දාන්න. Yeah, very good. X equals to near my 55. Yes, very good. Right, Lamai, we need to cover this one, right? We need to cover this lesson because we need to practice some geometry. So next week also, I just need to ready for you, right? I need to ready you for the term test. So that is why what I'm doing here. And next week, I will complete that lesson, angles in a circle, right? I will complete this lesson on next week, right? and I will do an additional 1 hour session to do a theorem, right? A next theorem. ඒකටත් මම additional එකක් දාමු නැත්නම් otherwise the time is not enough, right? නැත්නම් time එක මදි අපිට practice කරන්න තියෙන.
Okay, sir.
Right, then good night. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for you all for joining with the lecture. So good night all. Please do the homeworks, especially volume and surface area. I'm just talking to our old students, not the new students. Just complete your homeworks. Only 4 students have got the answers. Just complete your homeworks and drop down into the group. So thank you very much. See you on the additional class, and I will let you know the time and date. වැඩ කරන්න ළමයි. Good night. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Thank
Good
you.
night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Right.